Okay, as you're about to make your magic circle, you want to make sure first that you have a very long tail, and that's what you're going to use to attach the leg. And then you're going to do 6 single crochets in a magic circle. I always like to close my magic ring a little earlier, so it's easier and I have less shedding or breaking that way. So I'll finish up here. Then before I start my next round, I'm going to make sure that long tail is out from the top. It's not what you normally do, so it's a little bit different. Make sure if you don't get that right the first time, it's okay. You can sew it back through or pull it through with your hook. And then we're going to increase in each one around, so you'll have a total of 12 stitches. And then we are just going to single crochet in each one around for a total of 12 stitches. And now we're going to finish the foot off by flattening it. And we're going to put our hook through the touching stitches. So the very ones at the corner, see how it goes through both? Then I'm going to pull through and single crochet. I'm going to do that again. My hook's through both sides of the foot and then single crochet. And you do that all the way to the end. Then fasten off and sew that tail in. You'll use the top one to attach the foot. Okay, now I'm going to take my hook and I'm going to go up so it goes through the middle, and I'm going to pull that tail through so it's more centered, and then I'm going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to fasten it off by pulling it through. Now to attach it to the body, I'm going to find the best centered part. I guess you want it to be right underneath the eyes is how I like to look. And I think it's about round 5. And you're just going to go through about 2 stitches on the body. And then I'm going to go back through the foot. So it's secured there. And then I'm going to go through the body again so that it's nicely secured there. Then I'm going to weave it through the actual leg part. Then I make sure it's extra secure with a couple of stitches through the top of the leg, or the bottom of the leg and the top of the foot. Then I weave in the ends and snip it off.